Rice pudding recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of long-grain white rice, 2 cups of whole milk, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, optional, 1/4 cup of raisins, optional, ground nutmeg for garnish, optional. Instructions: rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. In a medium-sized saucepan, combine the rinsed rice, whole milk, granulated sugar, and salt. Place the saucepan over medium-high heat and bring the mixture to a boil while stirring occasionally. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and simmer uncovered, stirring occasionally, for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the rice is tender and the mixture thickens. Remove the saucepan from heat and stir in the vanilla extract. If you like, you can add ground cinnamon and raisins for extra flavor. Mix them in at this point. Let the rice pudding cool slightly, and it will continue to thicken as it cools. Serve warm or chilled, garnished with a sprinkle of ground nutmeg if desired.